So hello everyone, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson 6, and the name of the lesson is control and looping statement in QBasic. Control and looping statements in QBasic. Okay, the outlines are introduction, starting QBasic, constants and variables, control statements, looping statement, for, next loop, while, when loop, do loop and do while loop, and last one is stop the looping statements. These are the topics, means it is the programmable chapter. So let's start. First one is introduction. The computer programs starting with the first statement and proceeding statement by statement until the end of this program is reached. Means computer programming, first we have to start with an statement and then proceeding with statement to statement, statement by statements until the end of the program is reached. That is how a program works. So the next topic is starting QBasic. To open it, means to open a QBasic, you just need to search the icon on the desktop or click on the qbasic.exe file or double click on the QBasic icon. By this, you can start QBasic. Now the next topic is constants and variables. What are they? These are the data values. Means first one we have to understand about the constants and variable, and this is the definition of constants. This is the definition of constant. Okay, constants means these are the data values whose values is not changed during the program execution. Means if we are running the program and the value of any data is not changed, then that one is called constant, means constant value. Okay, they are written in double quotes and include words, special characters, numbers, etc. The example is New Delhi. New Delhi is written in quotes, double quotes, and numbers in without the quotes. So that is a constant. Now the next one is variable. What are these? These are the data values whose can be changed during the execution of a program or program execution. Means it is opposite of constant, है ना. Variables जो है उसकी values change हो जाती हैं during the execution of a program. Some constants, string variables are also there, alphanumeric values are also there. So string variable is a combination of one or more characters or alphanumeric values and with the dollar sign, like dollar learning dollar. Okay, and this is a string variable. Now next one is alphanumeric variable. Alphanumeric variable can be stored numeric data which represent numbers and letters of the alphabet, just like example A25B, number and letter both are included, that is why it is called alphanumeric value. Now the next topic is control statement. Control statements, yeah, every instruction used in QBasic is referred to as control statement. Means every statement used in QBasic software, that one is called a control statement. Some of them are RAM or REM statement. It is used to add comments in the body of the program. The syntax means how to write that particular statement. The syntax is RAM and the remarks. Okay, that is the RAM statement. The next one is clear screen statement, or clear screen command is used to clear the screen. The syntax as CLS means clear. Next one is input statement, used to enter the values while the program is being executed. While the program is being executed, then we can use to enter the value with the help of input statements. Okay, syntax is input, message and numeric या string value. Now the next one is go to statement. It is used to jump anywhere in the program while program is being program by simply entering the location of variable. Means by simply entering the location variable, we can jump to the anywhere in the program with the help of go to statement. The syntax of go to statement is go to, then value or line. The next statement is if then statement. If then statement is also a statement are used to making decision on the result of comparison. If compare has to be followed by then statement, then lastly and if your command. Syntax हम इसका ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, if के बाद condition लिखना है, then statement लिखना है, else के बाद condition लिखना है. Okay, these are the control statements of your QBasic. The next topic is looping statement. Next statement is looping statement. Looping statement is a way of repeating statement number of times until a certain condition is reached. Looping statements is a way of representing or repeating the statements number of times until the certain condition is reached. Loop का मतलब ही होता है repeat करना. So it is used to repeat the statements okay, until the certain condition is reached in the programs. Some advantages of looping statements, like it reduces the number of instructions and also the memory space. Now by repeating the values we can reduce the number of instructions and also repeat the number of memory space has been also be reduced. Okay, generally there are three basic operation on the loop performed by the looping statement. The first one is initialization, second one is condition, and third conditional check, and third one is increment. Means पहले आपको initialize करना पड़ता है variables को, then condition check करने पड़ते हैं और then increment करना पड़ता है. So that is how looping work. Okay, the next there are three types of basic loops provided by the QBasic. The first one is for loop, second one is while when loop, do while loop, do loop, and do while loop. Okay, these are the loops. So first one is for next. It is used to reduce the group of the for next loop used to execute a group of statements multiple times. Means used to execute a group of statement multiple times as specified. Okay, syntax is for लिखा, then conditional variable लगा, equal to का साइन लगा, initial value लिखी first, then to कहाँ तक जाना है, final value तक, and then कुछ statements लिखी, we have to write the statements, and then next control variables have to be written from this line. That is how for next loop work. Okay, now the next one is while when loop. It defines block of programs statements that are executed repeatedly for as long as a certain condition is met. Means it defines the block of program statements के block को define करता है that are executed repeatedly for as long as, कब तक repeatedly होगा, certain condition are met, जब तक कोई specified condition met नहीं हो जाती है, मिल नहीं जाती. Okay, there are some also some basic steps and rules for this for next loop we have discussed in practical session, so just concentrate on this. The syntax of while when loop is while, condition, then statement, and last में when. That is how it will written na. Now the next one is do loop. It allow a program to execute until a specified condition terminates the loop. Means it allows program to execute until a specified condition terminate the loop. Means terminate means करना, end up करना. So the syntax is do लिखा, then statements, loop until condition. Loop क्या, until condition आएगी. Next one is do while loop. It execute a set of statements once. And then repeat the statements only if the given condition is true. Means it execute a set of statements once. पहले एक बार में execute करता ही है, and then repeat the statements only if the given condition is true. अगर given condition true है तभी उसको repeat करेगा statements को. The syntax is do, statement लिखा, loop, then while condition. The last topic is stop the looping statement. Exit command is end the exit command is used to end the execution of the loop permanently stop करने के लिए exit command use होती है for the stopping the loop. So that is how the loop statements and looping have been work. Now in the next lesson we will start our new lesson, and I hope you enjoy the video. So thank you everyone.